You've got your toughened glass cooktop. It's a diesel cooktop. Whatever you do, don't drop anything from up above because it could crack the glass. And if it does get a chip in it, it'll turn into a hairline fracture and the cooktop will need to be replaced. With the cooktop, it is diesel. So diesel takes 3 minutes to get warm. By the 6-minute mark, it will get screaming hot. Both of these plates go on. This one is hotter than that one. That one will get you to boiling point. That will get you to simmer. That can all be activated here by the keypad. Your top left-hand button is to turn it on. And you push it once, let it sit, wait 3 minutes. If you use this controller here, it'll put it on maximum. And if you're at high altitude, you push that button. If you're at high altitude, you do need to use Alpine diesel. So the number one reason why someone will message me at all hours is because of the cooktop. It can go into error mode, so whatever you do, don't push that on and off quickly, and you will need to reboot the system by flipping this mattress that way, lifting underneath, and turning the red knob off and following the instructions. You'll have to follow the instructions that are listed in the manual in order to reboot this system. So whatever you do, don't turn this on and off quickly. It will put it into error mode because diesel appliances like to be primed. We've got 3 diesel appliances on board. You've got your cooktop, you've got your hot water unit, which is currently on, and you've got your diesel heater. Both appliances don't like to be turned on and off quickly, especially the cooktop. You've got your range hood here to turn everything on. You've got lights, you've got your range hood just there to turn on your fan.